out, its lava and ash are thrown out, okay, and after repeated eruption form a mountain on cooling. The hollow top on the top of the mountain, so here a depression is formed and this depression is called as crater. So on the top what is formed is the crater, not the crate. So the term crater should be replaced as it is incorrectly mentioned, that is correct. Lava and magma has been interchanged, again correct, okay, and the term crater and vent should be interchanged, no, so that is correct, okay. The term vent should be replaced, no, that is correct. So here are the two important things that were wrong in the passage. Deep inside the earth there is the magma chamber from where magma comes out in the form of lava. This lava flows out and volcanic rocks are seen when it cools or solidifies. So deep inside the earth there is the hot molten rock called as magma. This comes out and collects in a chamber. When P erupts through the earth's surface, it is called Q on cooling, which is lava on cooling. P is magma, as we already mentioned. When magma erupts through the surface, it is called as lava. On cooling, it becomes volcanic rocks or igneous rocks. The top hollow of the volcano that is shaped like a bowl is called as crater. So here we have the answers. Which is incorrect, you have to find out. So Q is magma. Q is magma is incorrect. R is igneous rocks, that is correct. And these are the first to form on the earth, that's correct. S is the vent. S is the crater. It is a bowl shaped structure. It's not the vent. So vent is just the opening. So this is again incorrect. So both A and C are the